All right, yesterday was a great day, except for me cracking that one solar panel. And I got thinking, in talking with a buddy out in California, uh, it may have not been my fault entirely because I did the same thing with the other two arrays, cranking them down, and they're all good. So why did that one crack when I was cinching it down, but the two on each side of that solar panel didn't crack? So I'm going to get with Alt Store and have a little discussion about. I may have gotten a bad solar panel. At least that's my thinking. All right, out here in the garage, 6 a.m. of course, doing a video. So this is my EG4 lithium battery 6-gun rack. It's going to go right there. And one viewer said, "Hey man, you should name that Jackpot, because I won 3 jackpots to pay for this damn thing." And I said, "Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to name it Triple Jackpot." Put a label on it, put a Triple Jackpot. Still haven't gotten back to me on putting a decal on that. Well, long story short, this is what I'm going to do. I'm still waiting some more lugs so I can get it all, and bus bars from the company. I got 2 bus bars coming in. Probably next week, this thing may see the life of day in commissioning. All right, so you see this table right here? This is going bye-bye. I've got one more bracket to put up there because I have a cheap bracket right there. And I'd put a cheap bracket up there because I had wires and I didn't want to disconnect everything. So half-assed it. So I'm going to put the right one up there. So this is going to be a nice little cubbyhole nook workstation for my equipment. And I'm not doing wood. This has not lasted worth a crap. See here? It's just plywood I had laying around. Yakety schmackety. I got onto the computer here and check this out. Formica. I don't know if you can see that color, but it's kind of earthy tone, Italian looking. And if you can see the price here, it's only like 60, it would be around $65 with my discount for a sheet of that stuff. And it's pretty easy to work with. And what I'm thinking about doing is using that type material for a nice little table right here instead of ratty wood. And all this stuff will be gone. Won't need it anymore. But I do like having a USB right there for powering up stuff. I'll come up with something, but I want a good table for out here working, a little bit more durable. Because I mean, this literally soaks up sweat. It gets hot here in the summertime, and it's a good idea. But, we get better with age. And then I'll have this battery box when this is all gone. All these batteries in the battery box will be gone. So, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? I'm gonna have to come up with a solution for that, or I hate to demolish it because that is one killer battery box. All right, just my random thought process this morning. Wall turned out good. Got that all patched up, real good or lack. Yeah.